Cap 26 here, just for tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we got Scooby Doo here. We'll put his head on. We get right to it here. Put his head on. And then we got these little pieces that go in here. We can put them in. We might have to putty these, I don't know. They're funny pieces that go in. We got this back part here. Put that in. That goes in there. Let's see how these go in. There we go. Once you get them in there, you can't get them out. See what we're going to do? We're going to put a little glue on top, like that. And then we're going to take a Q-tip and just go over it, like that. Let's see if we get this piece in here. That's in there like that. Put a little glue on top. Just go over it. Got his nose. Nose goes on there like that. And we got little eyes here. Put glue in there. See, like this, go like that. That. And for the back, we got a back hole here, and we don't have anything to fill it in. I don't know. Let's see if this will work. That doesn't seem to go in there right. We're going to fill that in with green stuff. Okay. And we got a dog tag here. And it goes through this little hole here. Like this. We can get it on there without breaking it. And see if we can open that hole up a little bit. It's right there. Just, do it like that. You go like that. Well, actually, it goes like this. Put a little glue on there. That's gonna have to dry. Now the glue dried up. So you know what that means. You gotta puncture it again. Put a little glue on there. Let that dry. Let's see what of these. Nothing. Okay. So we're gonna put a little green stuff in the back here. He's primarily done. Just has to be painted. So that's Scooby Doo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers and I can't do it without you. Bye for now.